Hey there, Jason Economides here from Funnel Jedi, one of the Clickfunnels certified partners. I thought I'd share with you an idea that I had for running for the affiliate bootcamp this week. I don't have any results to share with you at this point, but I just thought I'd share it as a cool idea for getting people into your sequence. This will work for anybody who's not using Actionetics. So if you don't have Actionetics and you've got your own autoresponder, this will work particularly well for, because this solution actually integrates with them. There's no affiliate links or anything like that for this. So just go, if you like what you see, go get it. And it's using a tool called Leadgrab. The web address is leadgrab.io. So leadgrab.io. So I'm just going to show you what I have in mind, and it's a really cool way of getting people into the affiliate bootcamp or any drip campaign sequence that you have for anything you're running, without you needing to build a ClickFunnels page, but still being able to promote the ClickFunnels thing. So just going to show you now what I have in mind. So this strategy is particularly good if you're in the habit of tweeting or Facebooking a whole bunch of different blog articles. So you're always recommending blog articles, and rather than giving I see a pop-up's just come up there. Rather than giving, say, the URL to the blog article, you'll use Leadgrab instead. So I'm just going to show you. So imagine, I'm blogging or I'm tweeting, whatever, and I come across this great article. I don't know who I have no idea who this company is. I just did, I think, a Google search on, how to do great, amazing sort of sales funnels, and this one came up. And what we can actually do is we can put an overlay on this and grab people's details. So I'll grab the URL up here, and I'll do this real quick. I try to keep this video as short as I possibly can. So I'm going to go into my Leadgrab dashboard here, and this is it's a one-time fee of $47 to get this platform. And if you're an agency or a ClickFunnels certified partner, and you can do this for lots of clients, and you can get a sort of an enterprise grade one for a $97 upgrade fee, and then you can manage lots of people's accounts. But basically, what I can do here is I can create an overlay, two types of overlay. I can either have something where there's a little snippet that appears down at the bottom, or I can actually have a kind of like a pop-up come up. So I'm going to show you what the full screen one looks like first of all. And so let's call it, let's say get this. We'll call this so this is the link name. So we'll call it whatever. 7 tips. 7 tips to marketing funnels, something like that. Your overlay link title. This will be the URL you use to send people to your overlay. This will make a bit more sense later, but I'll just call it. I'll put it something rather than having this weird thing here. You could have something a little bit nicer. 7 tips to marketing funnels, and then we need the link in here. Your overlay link. So that's actually the URL for this article. So we're going to put that in there. And then do we want to pop up on exit detection? Yeah, why not? Let's do that. How long do you want it to wait before? Well, it's actually an either or. So you can either have it pop up when people are exiting, or you can have it appear after a number of seconds. So actually what I'll do to make it predictable, I'll make it appear after 10 seconds. And then also you can tell it, maybe this person revisits the page a number of times, it will try to remember. So, it won't, maybe you go 4 times on the same day. You don't want this thing coming up on the screen every single time, but you might say, wait a day before you show it again. That's me. What kind of integration? So you've got to put the integration here. I'm using get response, and that's going into a very, very specific list. I haven't integrated the actual affiliate bootcamp list in Leadgrab just yet, because I only just had this idea. You can use retargeting codes if you want. Then we can put a background that will come up, and we can use that one, or maybe this one's a bit nicer. So we do that. So this is just the background for this one. That's okay. We're gonna just go on to the next page here. Next, right, now we can actually customize what comes up on here. So we will put get Russell Brunson's awesome funnel training for free. Okay, and they said get instant access to training webinars, tutorials, and free stuff on funnel building. We put email address there, get access, decline text, the decline text here, so saying no thanks. You can use some if you haven't got funnel scripts already, you should get it because there's a cool call to action generator. But it would come up with stuff like no thanks, I don't need to improve my marketing skills, and that will just get rid of this pop up. It's not a pop up, it's more like an overlay. And then once it's finished, it's a success messaging wording. So if they do put their details in, then we want it to say something. Say, awesome, you are getting Russell's stuff right now. And then you can put your email, and your email has been subscribed, and we'll be sending you additional cool funnel training over the next 25 days or whatever the period of time is. Success button text, there'll be a button there as well, so which will clear the screen. Say okay, and you can put, you'll have to put meta tags. So you say biz, you can put marketing funnels, Clickfunnels, stuff like that. You can put, obviously you should put a nice description in here. We show you exactly how to build the most awesome funnels in the world. There you go. Customize to your branding if you want to. You can change colors and save, and there we go. So that's actually done now. So it only takes a few minutes. It took longer because I'm obviously trying to explain it to you. And up here you see copy link. If I grab that, so I've grabbed the link to the clipboard. Now I go to a new window, and now I might go in my Twitter feed or my Facebook feed, or put it on my blog and say go and read this article. It's really cool. And now you've got this new URL, which is app.leadgrab.io/f/ then remember that URL name I actually came up with 7 tips to marketing funnels rather than having that really bizarre one. So that's come up there. You could put Russell Brunson's awesome funnel stuff or something like that. If I click on that, so it will now hopefully bring up that article. Does that look familiar? So there's the article, the actual article that I brought up earlier. And after about 10 seconds, you should see some magic happen. There you go. So that has just overlaid onto there. And you've got get Russell Brunson's awesome funnel training for free. And I can type my email address in there. Get access. Or no thanks. And get access. It processes, sticks it into the autoresponder. Awesome, you're getting Russell's stuff right now. And then the email has been subscribed. And you could put stuff like you can unsubscribe at any time, put your privacy policy and things like that. It's probably not a bad idea to do that, and do OK. And then we go back to the article. So there we are in there. So I thought you might find it interesting. The tool is, as I said, is Leadgrab. It is leadgrab.io, not leadgrab.com. Okay, so leadgrab.io. There you go. So you should get that. So go grab it. Have fun, and I would love to hear if this works for you.